Look up. What do you see? Probably just a ceiling. But what if I told you that in 2026, you can have a full-sized, smart ceiling fan anywhere you want? No wires. No electrician. No permanent damage. I was a skeptic too, until I tested the 5 most advanced models claiming to do the impossible. One connects to your home AI and predicts when you'll be hot. Another has blades that silently morph their shape for maximum airflow. But the one that won, it didn't come from a fan company at all. This is the wild frontier of portable cooling, and after living with these for months, I can tell you, one of them is a gimmick. One is a genuine miracle. And the winner, well, it just made every other fan in my house obsolete. Number 1. Dreo Smart Ceiling Fans. This low-profile ceiling fan with integrated lighting provides a remarkable airflow performance of 6,040 CFM, with an average of 4,231 CFM, all while maintaining noise levels below 45 decibels, ensuring that your environment remains peaceful and undisturbed. You can select from 6 different speeds and 3 distinct modes: sleep, natural, or auto, allowing you to create the perfect breeze for any situation. If that's not enough to satisfy your comfort needs, the fan also features 12 app adjustable speeds, enabling you to fine-tune airflow to your exact preference. This combination of power and versatility makes it a tailored solution for your cooling requirements. In terms of lighting, this black ceiling fan stands out with customizable features right at your fingertips. You have the option to choose from 6 different brightness levels and 5 color temperatures ranging from 2700K to 6500K, allowing you to create the perfect ambience in your home. With the Dreo app, you gain enhanced control over your lighting, enabling you to align it with your daily activities. Number 2. Sofucor 52-inch Smart Ceiling Fan. The Sofucor Alexa ceiling fan with light is an innovative and versatile home appliance that can be controlled in 3 convenient ways. Its advanced technology allows for easy adjustments from anywhere, utilizing a mobile phone app, making it a perfect addition for those seeking smart home integration. By connecting the fan to Google Assistant or Alexa, users can enjoy the convenience of hands-free operation through simple voice commands. Equipped with a powerful and quiet DC motor, the Sofucor outdoor ceiling fan operates at a remarkably low noise level of less than 30 dB, ensuring that it does not disrupt your environment. This new generation motor, constructed with pure copper wire winding, offers significant energy efficiency, consuming 75% less energy compared to traditional AC motors. Number 3. 72-inch ceiling fans. Introducing the exceptional 72-inch ceiling fan, an exquisite blend of classic retro aesthetics and cutting-edge modern functionality. This remarkable fan is designed with attention to detail, incorporating 8 dual-color blades that alternate between a sleek black finish and a warm wood grain texture, enhancing the ambience of any space. One of its standout features is their versatile lighting system, offering 5 distinct color temperature options. Users can choose from a cozy 2700K, warm white, for a relaxed atmosphere, a gentle 3500K, soft white, for a comfortable glow, a neutral 4500K, cool white, for vibrant lighting, a bright 5000K, daylight white, for tasks requiring clarity, or a refreshing 6500K, cool daylight, for an invigorating feel. Number 4. Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan. The Dreo Smart Ceiling Fans with lights offer advanced compatibility features, allowing seamless integration with the Dreo app as well as popular smart home assistants like Alexa and Google Home. This means you can easily manage the fan speed and lighting conditions in your space through simple voice commands or by using your mobile device via the app. Furthermore, the fans come equipped with customizable preset modes and routines that enable you to craft and automate distinct atmospheres to suit various activities. Whether you're reading, working, relaxing, or requiring a nightlight, these fans can adapt instantly with just a tap. One of the standout features of the Dreo fans is their powerful wind generation capability. Thanks to Dreo's innovative brushless DC motor and a thoughtfully engineered 14-degree angle design, the fans not only enhance indoor ventilation performance but also boast an impressive airflow rate of up to 5,673 CFM, cubic feet per minute, ensuring comfort in every room. Number 5. 72-inch ceiling fan. The Dreo Smart 72-inch industrial ceiling fan with light is designed to combine style and functionality, making it an ideal choice for a variety of environments, from cozy homes to expansive commercial spaces. One of its standout features is the multiple control options it offers, allowing users to customize their experience with ease. These control options include a remote control for convenient adjustments from anywhere in the room, a smart app that operates via a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection for modern smart home integration, and compatibility with Alexa, enabling voice-activated commands for hands-free operation. The ceiling fan is powered by a robust and efficient DC motor, known for its powerful airflow capabilities while maintaining a quiet operation. This feature is essential for those who want to enjoy a cool breeze without the distracting noise often associated with traditional fans. So, where will you install yours? The garage. The rental. The weird room that never gets air. Tell me your first location in the comments below. If this deep dive into the future of cooling saved you time, money, and a huge headache, give this video a massive like. It tells the algorithm this tech is the next big thing. Want to bring one of these genius devices home? Every single link to purchase, plus the secret adapter I recommend, is neatly organized for you in the description below. Craving more smart home magic that actually works? Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're testing a projector that turns any window into a TV. Share this with a friend who hates hot rooms. Stay cool.